Hey guys, it's Melanie Ham. Welcome back to my channel. Today is such a cool video. I am so excited to share with you all the details about World Vision's new Chosen campaign. So this video is in partnership with them. I went to Honduras with them last year, and this year I'm going to Ecuador with World Vision next week. And this is what we're gonna do because it is so crazy cool. You guys have to hear this, right? Okay, so you know how child sponsorship has typically been the sponsor, you decide you want to sponsor a child, you go on their website, you select a child, blah, blah, blah. World Vision has changed the game. As of today is launch day, they are going to be empowering these children to choose their sponsor. Here's how you can be a part of it. I'm going to be doing it too. You can click the first link down below and I will bring you with me to Ecuador. So upload your photo, the Ecuador World Vision team is going to take care of it, and then you can see yourself getting chosen by one of the kids in Ecuador. My husband's going to be coming with me to capture as much video as we possibly can. We're going to do a little wrap-up video once I get back. Hopefully you'll be able to see yourself getting chosen, which will be super exciting. I'm going to be bringing this bag. Look how cute that is. I'm going to put a tutorial for this up on Monday, just side note, but I'm going to be bringing this to give to my sponsor child with some, of course, gender neutral, just fun kind of art supplies and toys and things like that in here as a little gift for them when I get there. But right now I want to put this really cool video that World Vision put together. I'm going to insert it right here so that you guys can get a little bit more of a sense of what this is and decide if you want to come with me to be a part of it. So check out the video.
In the heart of downtown Chicago, hundreds gathered who wanted to sponsor a child through World Vision. But unlike so many sponsorship events before, this one was a bit unexpected. Instead of having people choose a kid from a set of photos, like sponsorship's been done for decades, we did something that we've never done before. Now, the choice is theirs. The choice to take hold of their future, to pursue their God-given gifts, to become change makers in their communities, and even the choice to step into a life-changing relationship with you.
Is that not so cool? When they were telling me on the conference call what this concept was and the idea and if I wanted to be a part of it, my mouth fell open, like just a tweak in the way that you look at it that can create such massive change with these children. Poverty takes away so many of their choices. To be able to have this decision, they get to decide, and it is going to be so beautiful. I hope that you'll join me. Click the link down below to sign up. If you're not interested in sponsoring a child and you would like to follow along and just sort of see what World Vision is doing, I would love it if you did that as well. I will be Instagram storying the entire trip, posting on Instagram what a huge huge impact this can have, how we can make the world a better place. Thank you so much for letting me share with you this amazing new launch and amazing opportunity with World Vision, one of my favorite charities to support. I cannot wait to share this with you guys. All right, I'll see you in the next video.